The Cine system began as a concept for a new kind of tape measure that would allow focus pullers to get focus marks fast and discreetly. Ultrasound was the best choice, as it's invisible, predictable, and possesses a low margin of error. Our tape measure developed into the Cine system, a family of ultrasonic components that offer an expanded toolset to face contemporary challenges. The core system centers on a low-profile rangefinder called the base sensor. Unlike other ultrasonic rangefinders, the base contains the system's main computer processor. This economy enables the base to be the only system component required on the camera build, which reduces camera weight, clutter, and promotes the Cine use in any configuration. The unit is easily calibrated to the camera film plane, is targetable, possesses a maximum range of 40 feet, and 3 different field of view settings to support work for a wide range of lens sizes and framing. The base was programmed in situations approximating common shooting conditions. This means that ultrasonic baselines such as sensitivity were modeled on actual human subjects and their movements. The net result being a multi-tool offering flexible solutions for real-world problems, such as being able to set near and far limits in order to ignore unwanted foreground or background objects, or to ignore mid-range objects that would otherwise limit the required range depth. 2 Cine systems can be used together in a sync mode, eliminating RF or ultrasonic crosstalk found with other ultrasonic rangefinders. The simplest system relationship is between the base and high-bright remote distance display. This pairing is similar to that of legacy rangefinders and their displays. However, the high-bright operates remotely and can be positioned on the camera, at a focus station, or anywhere that it may be required. Additionally, any number of high-brights can be paired with a single base, and this allows distance info to be shared with operators, dolly grips, crane boom ops, VFX supervisors, or any crew member involved in shot creation where subject distance is required. Meanwhile, the Cine handset enables focus pullers to make all system adjustments remotely, which is beneficial when working handheld or on Steadicam, gimbals, and cranes, etc. The handset is also a 120-foot tape measure with a massive 130-degree field of view. Focus pullers simply point the handset's ultrasonic transmitter back at the base to collect marks with the push of a button. Up to 8 marks can be recorded and stored and quickly edited for situations like a last-minute dolly repo, where all the marks can be adjusted simultaneously to accommodate the repo. Marks can also be collected using the rangefinder or with an ultrasonic bug transmitter. The bug works to distances of up to 120 feet within a 130-degree field of view. The bug, like the handset tape measure, is completely unique to legacy rangefinders because it offers a direct transmission from the subject to the base receiver, as opposed to a base transmission that must travel out to a subject and back again. This helps dramatically in situations where foreground objects separate the subject from the camera and hamper rangefinder readings. Up to 4 bugs can be actively tracked at any one time, and when they're not being monitored, enter a sleep mode to conserve power. Bugs can be placed on lens charts to help with lens tests, used by an additional assistant to help get focus marks, or planted in pockets and under wardrobe, or positioned on set relative to talent with offsets employed to ensure accurate measurements. And the handset offers a variety of view modes to monitor the various source options or to view multiple sources simultaneously, such as the rangefinder and bug or multiple bugs. There's even a mode whereby a bug source can cross over automatically to the rangefinder at a user-defined distance. This constant live distance data can be viewed relative to the pre-collected focus marks via several graphic scale options or made audible through an earbud as the subject moves in relation to the recorded focus marks. Our most recent addition to the system are custom serial protocol outputs that allow distance data to be sent to the products of several popular lens control system manufacturers. In the case of the new Arri Hi-5, bidirectional communications enable custom Focusbug menus and exciting features such as focus marks remotely transferred to the Hi-5's digital distance scale as they're collected with the Cine handset. A byproduct of these third-party relationships is focus tracking. Now, with the push of a button, the Cine distance data is sent directly to the lens control system motors and autofocus is achieved.